Good evening, students. Hari ni video yang solve kartu ni ki exercise na ka subjects mathematics class 10 Mbose. Chapter kade chapter 4 and the name of the chapter kade quadratic equations. To shwa bangin point ki exercise ini pe shwa kamut ayu quadratic equations. To shwa ka quadratic equations ngan in page wa kamut ayu kan quadratic sa polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Example 3x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1 is an example of a quadratic polynomial because here the degree is 2. The general form of a quadratic polynomial in px is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where remember that these coefficients of x squared is these values of a is not equal to 0, and where this a, b, c are real numbers, it means the coefficients of this x squared, x, and this constant terms are all a real number. Then can you get the definitions of a quadratic equations? A quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. It means that these quadratics are polynomials. If we equate it to a 0, we can say that this quadratic polynomial is no longer a quadratic polynomial, but it is a quadratic equations. Because when we say equations, it means that, for example, x plus y is equal to z. This makes an equations, or we can say that x minus 1, x plus y minus z is equal to 0. This is an example of a equation. So if this quadratic polynomial, if we equate it to a 0, so it is no longer a quadratic polynomial, but it is a quadratic equations. So talk about IU quadratic equations. Now we will do some exercise 4.1. Can you get exercise 4.1? So the first question, it says that check whether the following are quadratic equations. So kanila ay kanika given equations. The ngin check kung no kade ni ka quadratic equations. To bangintip kade quadratic equations kamot kade bande ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in order to check that, yakane given equations ngin simplify ka. So okay, this given equations here, if you see clearly, it x plus 1 is equal to this holding square. So if you see the, I think it will keep in your mind, we will using this formula is good. A plus b square will give me a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the values of a is x and the values of b is 1. So after using this formula here, we will have x square plus 2x into 1 to the power 2 is equal, and this right hand side over here will give me 2 into x will give me 2x. So if there is nothing here, it means there is a sign plus. So plus with minus will give me minus, and 2 into 3 will give me 6. So okay, so this I will remain as it is. So 2 into x into 1 will give me 2x. So 1 square will give me 1. So that's why here will remain it's here 1. So this term right hand side will remain as it is. So okay, so this also will remain as it is. So this all this left hand side remain as it is, and this right hand side, if this plus a 2x, if I carry it to the left side, it will give me minus 2x, and this minus 6, if I carry it to the right side, to the left hand side, it will give me plus 6. So if you see clearly, this 2x and this 2x get cancels, so this will remain as it is. So this plus 1 with this plus 6 will give me 7. So we can conclude that this last expression, it is if it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Why? Because this last expressions I can written as 1x squared plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0, where 1 here is a, b here is b here is 0, and c here is 7. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. This is the second questions. This given equations we have to simplify first in order to check whether this given equation is a quadratic or not. Okay, solution x squared minus 2x will give me this 2x 3 minus x, implies this left hand side firstly I will return as it is, and this right hand side minus with plus will give me minus. So 2 3 6 and minus will give me plus. 2 into x will give me 2x, which implies x squared 2x, and all this term um, on the right hand side I will carry it to the left hand side. So this minus 6 will give me plus 6, and this plus 2x will give me minus 2x is equal to 0. So which implies that this x squared and this will give me a minus 4x and plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can say clearly that this last expression, it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equations. This is a questions 3. So you see, this x into x will give me 2x. So there is a plus here. So plus with plus will give me plus. So x into 1 will give me x. So minus with plus, so minus, so minus with 2x will give me 2x, so minus with plus will give me minus 2 into 1 will give me 2, and here also is the same, x into x will give me x square, so plus with plus will give me plus, so x into 3 will give me 3x, so minus with this plus will give me minus, so 1 into x will give me x only, so minus with plus will give me minus, so 1 into 3 will give me 3. So okay, if you see clearly this x and this get cancelled, so we left only this x here, so this also here, and this 2 also is here, and this plus 3x I will shift it to the left hand side, will give me minus 3x, and this minus x, if I carry it to the left hand side, will give me plus x, and this minus also, if I carry it to the left hand side, it will give me plus 3. So this x will give me 2x, so this will remain as it is, so this x 3x also remains, so minus 2x with plus 3x will give me plus 1. So if you see clearly, this and this get cancelled, so we left only minus 3x plus 1, minus 3x plus 1. So this I can multiply both sides by minus, so minus with minus will give me plus 3x, so minus plus will give me minus, so 1 into 1 will give me 1, so this is the final expression. So it is not of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, because here the coefficients of x squared is 0. So therefore the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Question number 4. So okay, here also is the same, we multiply here x into 2 to x into 2 to x will give me 2x squared plus, with this plus will give me plus, and x into 1 will give me x, so minus with plus here will give me minus, 3 into 2 will give me 6, and 3 into 2x will give me 6x, so minus with this plus will give me minus, so 3 into 1 will give me 3, and this one also x into x will give me x squared, so plus plus will give me plus, and x into 5 will give me 5x. So this term will remain as it is, so this one also will remain as it is, and this one also will remain, I will leave it as first as it is, and this minus 3 also as it is. So this right hand side, this minus x squared, this plus x squared, if I carry it to the left hand side will give me minus x squared, so this plus 5x also, if I carry it to the left hand side will give me minus 5x. So this one and this one will give me x, so this plus x will remain as it is, and this minus 6x and this minus 5x will give me minus 11x, and this minus 3 will remain as it is. or x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is clearly it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. So this is equations 5. Here also is the same. 2x into x will give me 2x squared plus with minus will give me minus. So 2x with 3 will give me 6x. So minus with this will give me minus x, so minus into minus will give me plus. In the right side also we will apply the same only. This x with this x will give me x square, so this plus with this will give me x, and this plus with this will give me 5x, so plus will plus with minus will give me minus, so 5 into 1 will give me 5. So here all this term will remain as it is, only this right hand side, all this right hand side I'll carry it to the left hand side, and all this sign will change. So this one and this one will give me x square, so this minus 7x with this will give me 12x, and this I will remain as it is, and this one with this will give me 8. So this remains as it is, and this one and this one, because here is a plus, so minus 11x plus 8. So it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Here are this is the question 6. This part here I've written as it is, and remember that this right hand side using a minus b square will give me a square minus 2ab plus b square. Using this x here is a, and this 2 here is a b. Using this, so we will have x square minus 2x plus 2x into 2 plus 2 square. So this left hand side remain as it is, so this right hand side this also remain as it is, so 2x into 2 will give me minus 4x, and this will give me plus 4. So all this left hand side remain as it is, and this right hand side I will carry all this term on the right hand side, I will carry it to the left hand side, all this sign get changed. So this one and this one get cancels, so this minus 7x and this part here minus 3. So this it is not of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Why this term is not a quadratic equation? Because the coefficients of x squared, the coefficients of x squared is equal to 0. It means that a is equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, so we cannot consider that this is a quadratic equation. So here, this question 7, using a plus bq. The formula here is a q plus 3 squared plus 3ab squared plus bq. Using this formula, here is a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. After using this formula here, we will get x squared like this. Then this right hand side, it means that if we multiply here, we'll get this, and if we multiply here, we get this. Then simplify this one and multiply all this term, I will get this one, and multiply all this, I will get this. So this will get me this. So this one as remain as it is. So this also remain as it is. So this one also, this one also, this one, and all this right term I will carry it to the left hand side. So okay, this one and this one will give me this. So this one doesn't remain as it is. So this one with this one will give me this one. So plus 8. So I multiply here all the term with here, I multiply all the term with minus, so that's why I get there is some more line here, multiply by minus 1, that's why I'll get that's why I get minus with this. I get this one, this one, this one, this one. So this one also is not of the form this time. So therefore the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So here this term using a minus bq will give me a q minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus bq. So after using this formula and all this left hand side remain as it is, and this after simplify using this formula, we will have this. So this also remain as it is, and this simplify. So 3 with this will give me this number. So this one also simplify again, then this 2 into 2 into 2 will give me 8. And all these right hand side I will carry it to the left hand side, so I'll have this. So after simplify, I will end up to this. So it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore the given equation is a quadratic equations.